Here I have iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the camera section, and here you have to enable this use volume up for burst. So when you have this feature enabled, all you need to do is to just open your camera and then hold down volume up, and after that the burst shot starts. Okay, so let me take it once again. Okay, so as you can see right now I took about 18 shots or something. So to check them all, wait, here, tap all photos, oh wait, select, and here you can see all of these photos which you just take. So you can select the one that fits you best and delete others. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.